How do I replace a lost Social Security card? If you need to replace a lost Social Security card, you can request a replacement through the Social Security Administration, SSA. Here's how. 1. Check eligibility for an online request. U.S. citizens age 18 or older with a U.S. mailing address can request a replacement card online through their My Social Security account if they are not changing their name or other details. Go to www.ssa.gov/myaccount to see if you're eligible and create an account if you don't already have one. 2. Gather required documents. If you're not eligible for the online application, you'll need to fill out Form SS5, the application for a Social Security card. Collect acceptable original documents to prove your identity, such as a U.S. driver's license, state-issued ID, or U.S. passport. Citizenship or immigration status if you're a non-U.S. citizen. The SSA does not accept photocopies or notarized copies. 3. Submit your application. In person or by mail. Submit the completed application along with the original documents to your local SSA office. You can find your local office and its contact information at www.ssa.gov/locator. By mail, be sure to send only original documents or certified copies. The SSA will return all documents after processing. 4. Wait for your card. The SSA typically takes 7 to 14 business days to process a replacement request, though this can vary based on demand and local office procedures. If you need assistance, you can contact the SSA at 1-800-772-1213, TTY 1-800-3-250-778, for help with the application process. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.